Private after party. I can't wait to celebrate. All over your body. It's like the 4th of July. Head between your thighs like fireworks. Hey, don't need reservation. You're my invitation to this love making.
Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showcasing a unit from BGM Girl Hair. I'll have all their information linked down in the description box. Do you see this hairline? Absolutely the star of the show. Can you see on my face how amazed I am? So this is their M cap 9x6 HD lace Wear Go Wig, and it is 24 inches. It has combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it does come pre-plucked, as you can see, and it has bleach knots. Everything ready to go for you straight out the package. All you have to do is install it. The texture is everything. Do you see how excited I am? The part is defined for you, so if you want to bust down, here you go. I know I'm supposed to be doing a voiceover, but I have to talk really quickly because this is ridiculous how good this is. Do y'all see this? Once I add a little bit of my contour powder, this is going to blend so well. Let's get into this length. This is 24 inches. This is giving. I might wear this on my little date or whatever this weekend. This is so cute. Look. Look. And let's see. It doesn't have a harsh chemical smell. It has a slight smell to it, but nothing harsh. You can wash it, but I opted not to because I wanted the quickest, simplest, easiest install. My makeup look a little bit bright, but it's not done. Yeah, y'all, it's giving. And these bleach knots, yeah, this too good. Here I'm showing you a more in-depth look at the 9x6 closure. It's almost a frontal, but it's just enough for you to have a seamless install. I decided to pull out a little bit of my sideburns just so everything would blend seamlessly. And I'm going in, cutting a little bit of the lace. This part is based on your personal preference. Me, I got to cut a little bit of that lace off, but I know some people like to leave more lace on, so it's up to you. I will link all the products that I'm using in my Amazon storefront or somewhere in the description box, so be sure to check there. If you want to stop right here with this even mousse, it is the truth. You can just lay your lace with that. But me, I'm a little extra, so we're going to use some Got To Be Glue spray as well. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this quick install, and then I'll come back very quickly with my final thoughts.
You can find it in stores, some tailor-made for you, girl. It's like, oh, you don't wanna miss this. Feels like it's Christmas. It's a holiday, but I'm open for business. Bottle of that rose, I can't wait to celebrate. Got you feel like it's your birthday. I can't wait to celebrate. Private after party. I can't wait to celebrate. All over your body. It's like the 4th of July. Head between your thighs like fireworks. Hey, don't need reservation. You're my invitation to this love making. It's a celebration. How you doing? Hope that you're fine, but I know what you got in mind now. Got me feeling like you're the girl, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron, and it's gonna be on. VIP done got way too crowded. I'm about.
As you can see, I could have totally stopped at this point because this wig comes to you already laid, ready to go. You need a quick wig, you're a beginner. This is the unit for you. Something that you could pop on straight out the package. No fuss, no hassle. Go ahead and check my description box, and there will be a coupon code for you to save 18% off your order, which is BGM YT. I'll have that linked in the description box as well. They do offer 4 installment payments. If you want to, pay over time, you can do that as well. Again, this is their M-Cap 9x6 HD lace wig, which is their Wear and Go Straight unit. 24 inches. The texture is everything. I'm highly impressed by this unit. Do you see the material, girl? Do you see it? It's nice and flowy. I'm not the biggest straight hair person, but I was absolutely feeling myself, as you can see. You see how that flows? Do you see the shine? That luster is giving. Perfect for anyone who loves a nice bust down unit. All my baddies out there, this one is for you. Check the description box if you guys are interested, and chime down in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this unit. And until next time, y'all, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if y'all enjoyed that little mini, tidbit, get my makeup together session, let me know as well, because I'm gonna I know I've been saying this forever, but I'm gonna hit y'all with some makeup tutorials. Just wait, okay? Thank y'all so much. Love y'all. Appreciate you for tuning in. See you in my next video. Bye.
You can find it in store.